In this video, we'll show you how to change the sway bar bushings on your Ford F-150. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Ford F-150 safely. Turn the brake disc inward to make this operation easier. You need to remove the upper ball joints of the sway bar end links from the sway bar. The end link connects the sway bar to the lower control arms to keep the wheels firmly on the ground at all times. The components to be removed are very often seized up, so don't hesitate to brush and to use penetrating oil to make removal easier. Use a 15mm wrench to keep the ball joint from rotating. Then, using a 15mm spanner, unscrew the nut on the upper ball joint. Remove the upper nut, the washer and the bushing. Do the same on the other side to make this operation easier. Lift the sway bar. Brush the metal bracket retaining nuts and spray them with penetrating oil. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a long 15mm socket, unscrew the two sway bar bracket retaining bolts. Then remove the metal bracket. Pry with a small crowbar. Remove the bushing. You can use a screwdriver to help you.
For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now.
Clean the sway bar with a wire brush or abrasive sponge. Then apply silicone grease to the parts that will be in contact with the bushings. You can order the parts used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Install the new bushing. Then, screw the metal bracket back on. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. You can now repeat the same process on the other side. In our case, we took advantage of this operation to change the sway bar end links. Using an 18mm offset wrench, unscrew the nut from the lower ball joint. Use a ratchet and an 8mm socket to keep the ball joint from rotating. Then, remove the lower nut. You can now remove the link. Brush and grease the location to facilitate installation. Take the new link. Install it in the lower control arm. Screw the nut of the lower ball joint of the sway bar end link back on. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Put the sway bar back in place. Install the bushing and washer. Screw the nut of the upper ball joint of the sway bar end link back on. To tighten the sway bar end link retaining nut in the vehicle on the ground position, you need to support the lower control arm with a jack. Finish off tightening the nut with a torque wrench. Do the same on the other side. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put your truck back on the ground before properly fixing the wheels in place. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.